Hello, Orange Public School teachers. Today I wanted to show you something really cool. It's a new feature in Classlink, and it allows you to control when you want to print Classlink badges for your students. The very first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome. You want to sign into your Classlink portal, and you want to get to your dashboard as it shows in this example. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll see a new icon called Class Quick Cards. You'll want to left click on that icon. It'll open up a new tab and bring you to your Manage Classes page. Here's a listing of all the classes that you teach. For example, say you wanted to print badges out for your homeroom. In this example, you'll go to the row for second grade homeroom. You'll scroll to the right and you'll click on the Quick Card button for that homeroom. Here you'll get a listing of all the students in that homeroom, and you'll have two choices. You can either click the print button at the top, and you can print all of the Classlink badges for your students in that homeroom. Or you can click out a single badge for that student who may have lost their badge. And you can do that by clicking the yellow print button. And that's how you would do that. And that's it. It's as easy as that. The control is in your hands. Of course, if you ever need any help, Technology Services is there for you. And you can email us at techsupport@orange-ed.org. And a technology specialist will be with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.